Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here in the Dollar Tree and I'm just trying to see if they have any new things out because it look like everything has been really picked over here. So I'm not sure if I've seen these before, but these are the 3-piece ornaments here. They still have some of the tree skirts left. They have a lot of the little 90-piece pom-poms here. And they also have these ones right here. Let's see here. They have some of the glitter here where you can a DIY project, but they have them over here, and they have them in silver. They have them in this color here, and I also see this color here as well, guys. That's a pretty color. Let's see here. They have a lot of the gift tags here. And I see some of the little hopping toys here, little for 3+ and up. They have these. They have the little penguins. And those are the only ones that I do see. Alright, I also see they have some of the little Rudolph stocking, little hats here. Those are very cute. Look at those. And it has a little characters of the Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. But I only see them in red. And they have these mini stocking mini bags here. It comes in a 2-piece. And they also have these ones right here. They come in green with Santa on it. We also have the snowman. And I think this is a gingerbread one. But that's really cute. They have a lot of the hats here, guys. They have the naughty hats. I don't see any ones that says nice, but they have a lot of the naughty ones, which are very cute. They have a lot of the different stockings here. They have this cute stocking here, which I really like. Look at that. That's really cute. We also have this one right here. And I also see the one with the little, I'm assuming that's a reindeer with the scarf on. But those are really cute. Alright guys, so I see some of these little tin cans right here. These are the, it's just a tin can. It has like a little red ribbon where you can put different things in. This would be a great DIY, excuse me, I'm dropping stuff, but this would be a great DIY project if you're making a coffee bar. You can put the candy canes in or marshmallows, but they only have them in that color there. They only have them in the red color. They have some of the little Santa table decor right here. I think it lights up. I think you put batteries in and it actually lights up, but they have them only in Santa. Let me see if they have any more. They have them in the penguins there. And I also see the little snowman ones here as well, but you just add a battery, or actually they're solar, so I guess you can put them in the light and they actually light up. But those are very cute. Alright, so I see that they still have some more of the boxes here where you can put like a different present in, maybe a necklace set. And on the inside it has 2 from the amount, where you can actually put money in. These are money holders you can put inside. They have the gift card holders. They come in the galvanized ones. Let's see here. They have these earrings here that come in green and red. Alright guys, and I also see that they have some of this decorative Christmas card garland kit here. And it's made out of wood. And I think that would be a great, it has a little pins on the back of it. And it's a 12-piece. It's a garland. And it has the little trees on those. And I also see these stocking holders here, but they have them in different ones. Look at those. They have them in a Santa one. And I've already picked up the little elf. And I picked up the Santa one. And here's a snowman one as well, which are very cute. Alright guys, look at these right here. These are salt and pepper shakers here. And they have them in the snowman. I don't see them in any other ones, but they also have the Rubik Cube here. Look at that. But I'm gonna pick up 2 of these here. Let's see. I don't see anything else here. They have a lot of stuff that pretty much everybody has pretty much ran through. They have chair covers as well with the Santa. They still have those photo props there. They have the different table covers there. They have this one right here. They have this one. And they also have this one right here. They also still have these little decors right here. Find your happy place. They have the blue one, be bold, be kind. They have this purple one right here, good vibes, tribe. And you just actually put a battery in and they light up. I think those are cute. They have these little pictures right here. I haven't seen these before, but they said do small things with great love. Those are very cute. Let's see if they have any more. No, those are the only ones. And they have these little mirrors right here that says rise and grind, which I think are very cute. And I also see these little photo frames here. It says our family is full of love. Look at that. Those are very cute. Okay, so I've ran up on some more picture frames here. Look at these. How cute are these? But it's like the little girl with the little ballerina dress. And this is a nice little decor right here. This is the only one I actually see. I don't see any more, but I think those are very cute. Wait a minute, I see one more, guys. This one right here with the black, the polka dotted little little skirt here. And let's see if there's any more. No, I think that's it there. And they have some of these inspirational quotes, 20 calendars, which are very cute. Includes fold out stand. But they come in different ones here. They have the ones like this here. And they have this one here. And they also have these little journals right here. It says you're doing a great, and then you're doing great. And they also have this one right here that says write your own story, or write your story. Those are very cute. All right, some more little decor here. Look at this little penguin right here with the little top right here. And they also have a little dog here with the wings. Those are very cute. And I see that they have some new trinket dishes right here. They have this one right here, the little kitten. That's pretty much the only one that I see. And they also have the 8 invitation cards here. It says, please join us at a party for date place hosted by. I think those are very cute. Alright guys, so they have these multi-piece set gift boxes here. When you open it up, it has a bigger one and it has a medium one inside. They say deck the halls. Sorry guys, deck the halls. I see this one right here that says be merry. And they also have this one right here that says Merry Christmas. And this one is little toys. It sings when you move. I think that's really cute. I think I showed this in my last Dollar Tree haul. But that's very cute. Alright guys, and they have bags and bags for days. They also have gift boxes. They have stockings. Look how pretty those stockings are. The stocking bags here. Look at that pretty one right there. And they have that one with the reindeer. And they have that Santa one here. They pretty much have ran out of all of the ornaments here. But I'm going to pick up a few more to add to my tree. Because I don't have that many. I threw a lot of them away from last year, so I'm going to get a couple of these here.
Pretty much.
Alright guys, so look at these right here. These are new. This is a 2-pack of fragrance sachets. It's cinnamon stick, and it has a reindeer on it, but it smells very amazing. I'm going to pick up this one right here. And you can add this maybe to your closet, to your table, your living room, anywhere you want to put to make the room smell good. But these are a new find here. I haven't seen these here before. They were stuck off in a corner somewhere. I think I'm going to pick up 2 of these. And they don't have many candles left here. They still have the little Santa candles here. They have a lot of the scented candles. I don't see anything new here. I see the Airwick vanilla custard candles here. Those are really nice. They also have these frosted sugar plum candles here. Yeah, the winter pine ones here as well. Alright, so if you're looking for anything like stocking stuffers or last minute gifts, they have a lot of gifts here. They have these little gifts right here, body wash and 2 balms. They have them in different ones. They have these hand cream therapy sets right here. They have it in sweet berry and vanilla passion. Those are the only ones that I see. They also have these little power sticks right here for men for soothing balm, beard and stubble, and 3 in 1 inch. I see those little signs down there that says 1 o'clock. I also see these little candle holders right here that says hope. I think those are very cute. And the candle doesn't come included, but a little tea LED light. Or tea light that will go good inside of that. Alright guys, so pretty much they, like I said, they ran out of pretty much everything. I may have to go to another one, but they have this little hope globe right here, which is very cute. They still have the little cups here with the poinsettias. They have the bowls here. I also see some of these little glasses right here. It says don't get your tinsel in a tangle. That's very cute. They also have these cups right here, make it merry. And I see a green one back here as well. This one says up to no good, but you can actually put straws in these or actually drink them just the way they are. I think those are very cute. Alright guys, so I see that they put out some more towels here. They have this one right here with the little red truck. It says dashing through the snow. They have the Noel one. They have this one right here. Here comes Santa. Let it snow. They have some pot holders right here that come in 2-piece. Gingerbread cookies. They have this one, Let It Snow. And they also have that one down there that says Here Comes Santa Claus. I think those are very cute. And let's see here. They don't have. Oh, they also have some oven mitts down here that says Let It Snow as well. And I think that's the only one that they have. Alright, so I see that they have some of these little squishy toys here. They don't squish, they don't make noise, but they have a cake. They have a sundae. They have this little toucan Sam right here. And I see that they have this one right here. And that's pretty much all that they have, guys. Alright guys, so they have so many toys and stuff here. I had to go through the store to see because they've started taking the Christmas stuff down and putting it on different aisles. But they have these little plush toys here. They have this little guy right here. They have that little toy there. They have this little guy right here. And they still have some ornaments here that they've put to the side. But those are very cute. So they have ribbon for days. And we also have some of the, still some of the ornaments, the little bulbs here. Those are very cute. And let's see here. But they have stuff all over the place, guys, as you can see. This store right here is not very organized, but I see that they have a lot of things in here. Oh no. All right, you can never stop down this sock aisle. You can never like pass it. You have to stop and see what different types of socks they have. But they have these little cute ones right here. They have these little ones with the llama. They have the unicorn ones. And they also have these ones right here, which I'm not sure what this character is right here. But they have tons and tons of socks here that are very cute. Look at those cherry ones right there. They also have the ones with the sushi and the sake. They have the dog ones. And they have tons and tons of these little cosmetic bags or carry bags, however you want to use them, but they come in two. They have a small one and a medium one. Alright guys, so let's see that they have these little cupcake liners here. But this one right here is, they're in the shape of soccer balls. And they have these ones right here that shape like a football. But I think those are very cute. They're sport cupcake liners. I only see the ones in soccer and the ones in footballs. Alright guys, and the last thing I wanted to take you to, look at these little handmade Christmas cards right here. Aren't these cute? These are very cute here. They have the warm and cozy with the clothes on the lawn, the stockings. They have this one right here, oh what fun. They have these right here, season's greetings, but they have a lot of pretty cards here at the Dollar Tree. Look at this peace one right here. And they have this one right here. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Look how they, look how very detailed they are. They pop out at you. They're really pretty cards. And they have this one right here. But guys, I do want to thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I just wanted to come here in the Dollar Tree to see what things that they have. They still have these little mini stockings right here. I think I showed these earlier. I didn't show these ones right here, but those are very pretty. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, share, comment, like, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get alerts each and every time I upload. They have the gift card holders right here, guys, instead of the paper ones. They have these as well. If you're returning, go ahead and share this video with your friends and family. And as always, guys, thank you so much for stopping by my channel, and I hope to see you guys again real soon. And as I said before, Dollar Tree has a lot of last-minute gifts. So if you're looking for gifts for your friends, family, do stop by the Dollar Tree. I also see that they have some new decorative kits here. These are the Disney Princess. They have this one right here. They have that one, but they have a lot of the, if you're into things of that nature with decorative tape, they have them here. But again, thank you so much, guys, for stopping by my channel. I think I've pretty much racked up on everything I needed. And I will see you guys the next time. Bye, guys.